will submit a supplemental, some sort of a supplemental petition or motion in the NBI. I cannot talk about what that supplemental document will be, but I'm sure you will know about it once it is filed in the NBI.
Ma'am Ruth, VP, yung assessment niyo po na lahat, almost lahat ng mga big, mga key provinces and cities, Manila, Cebu, and Cagayan, Zamboanga, Laguna, nakuha po lahat ng kandidato po natin, PDP.
Hindi ko pa nakita yung disaggregated votes. Ang nakikita ko lang is yung total votes. No, we still have to study siguro kung saan nakakuha ng boto ang PDP laban, so that in the next elections, kung meron man silang senator candidates, ay maayos nila yung kanilang strategy. Dahil sa ngayon na election ay tumulong lang naman ako sa kanila dahil nawala si dating Pangulong Duterte. Sabi ko nga noong meeting de avance ng PDP laban ay tinawag lang ako ng tadhana. Wala naman akong partido. Initially wala talaga akong plano na sumali din sa kampanya dahil na nga nakakaon po kong tagam ato ang 2022 elections, no. So it would be good for PDP to study para kung meron silang senators in the future ay maayos nila yung campaign strategy nila.
Mamaya, right, Ma'am Vice
Balik sa kung tagam na ay nag-comment na now you learn. Para na ilahan ko ay. Ako po siya, sorry, I have to ask this with the overwhelming result sa election, all the third back natin dito na nakadao. There are now you are the strongest contender for 2028 presidential.
Yes, ma'am.
There are also a clamor na nagawa that 2020. What is your take?
As I said, no, tung 2019, gipangutan ako kung modagan ko og senator, nagsulti ko dili. Tung 2022, gipangutan ako kung modagan ko og president. Sayo ko nagsulti na January of 2021 musulti ko, and I did. Nisulti ko nga dili ko modagan og president. Ang pagdagan ako og vice president were circumstances that happened after